Hey guys, what's up? So, on Discord, we've got a request. Well, you voted on Discord, as you can see here, that everybody wanted to have a little wee video on how to manage and make Discord servers. So, this is going to be a multi-part series. So, first of all, first series, this part, not multi-part series, multi-part episodes. In this one, I'm going to show you how to log in and install Discord first, which shouldn't take too long. But this is a Windows 7 machine, not my actual machine. That has nothing on it but Chrome and Java. Now, you do need Java installed first. So if you play Minecraft, you're fine. Or anything that uses Java anyway. So first, let's go to Chrome, go to discordapp.com. Now, if you don't have an account, it would say login up here. For me, it says open. Now, you can access Discord through the browser, like this. Simple, but we're going to do the actual app way. So, go and download for Windows. Hit install. Just wait for it to open. Now, this is the second time of installing this. As you can see, that says open bracket, close, open bracket, number one, close bracket. So yay. And if you want me to do a series on making Discord chatbots, then just let me know as well on Discord. Just wait for it to install now. I think I'll just go speed through this part because it's going to take a while. Installation of Discord has failed. Crap. Probably because I ran 2. If I run this by administrator first, it should probably help it along. So, and if you do not have Java, you just Google Java, and then you should be able to get it then, because it's your first link from Java. I think java.com. That is the one you just need. That is installed. It is taking a bit long on this virtual machine because it's only allocated half my system specs and it's not handling for some reason very well. Now, you do have to let it update and install everything. Now, because I already had it installed and logged in, I don't need to. And you see my account. This dummy account's called Donkey. So if I log out, which we do so by going to the little settings, log out. This is what you'll be presented with when you first installed it. Now, it's simple. You just log in. Once you're logged in, then you'll get to this menu. You will get loading and so on. Now, once it gets here, that's Discord installed, and you can see it's on your desktop and here. You can also pin it, which I tend to do. That way, you can get quick access to it when it's closed. It will, by default, open up on startup, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's it for this part of the episode. Now, I will be doing the server creation in the next one, which shouldn't be too long after this, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you have, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe. Any requests, please feel free to mention it on Discord. Links are in description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.